Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce WF2930 DWF. What I want to show you is how to scan document using ADF. So you can scan, auto copy or scan using ADF with this printer. Okay, so this printer got automatic document feeder. To scan your document with ADF, open up the ADF, stick the document you want to copy using ADF. Okay, now select start scan. Here we go. So the document is scanning. Okay, you can see this is the document scan. Then we remove the document. Okay, select next. You can share this document, print it out, or do so many things with it. Okay, if you want to save this document, then you select save. This document is saved. Okay, now if you want to print it out, select print. Okay, and select the printer. Okay, select print. Okay, now change document color. Okay, and print two-sided long gauge. Print it out. So this document going to be print out two-sided. Remember, I also want to check if we scan this document only one-sided, okay, to see if it picked up the two-sided, or we need to select it using the app. So what it's doing now is printing out the document we scan. Okay, now it's going back inside. What I want us to check is to see if it's scanned the double-sided. Okay, so it's going to go back inside. Okay, you can see, so with ADF only scan one-sided, so only one-sided is scanned. Now what I want us to do is go to scan settings. Okay, and select. Okay, you can see the document source is ADF. Okay, now image size is A4. Okay, image color is colored, resolution 300 dpi, auto rotation, image format. Okay, with ADF here, you can only scan one-sided. Click start. Here we go. You can see it's scanning. Okay, and if you want to scan another one, then the other thing you can do is put the document down. Okay, if you want to scan the other side again, put the document down. Okay, okay, and select start scan again. Here we go. So it's scanning the second page using ADF. Okay, so this is the document we scan. Okay, ADF. So we have the two-sided here. Okay, we have the two documents. Now select, if you want to print it out, select next. Okay, save this document, you save it. Okay, if you want to print it out double-sided, then select share. Okay, and it'll give you option for you to print it out using the, okay, you can see the second page okay, select print. Now they select, okay, print two-sided long edge, okay. So you can select and start, and it will start to print, okay. So what it's going to do now is going to print two-sided. This document will scan, okay, single page will scan, but it can't scan it automatic, okay. So using ADF, we can do automatic document scan using ADF, okay. So only what you're going to auto two-sided print, but scanning, you just need to scan it and change the other side to scan again before you can be able to print it out double-sided. Here we go, it's going back inside, okay. So we can print double-sided, but scanning with ADF, we need to scan the document, scan one side and turn the other side down, okay, to scan. Once you scan it finish, then when you are printing it out, then you select double-sided print. The document will print out double-sided, okay. Here we go. So our job is done, okay, and it's complete. Here we go, job completed. You can see we printed it out double-sided, okay. But when we scan this document, we scan it with ADF. We scan the first side, okay, turn it upside down again, then click scan and scan it through, okay. So we have two documents to scan here. Then printing it out, we printed it out two-sided.